Fellow chiropractors and medical professionals, my name is Dr. Lou Jacobs. I am in Portland, Maine, and I have several chiropractic tables that often need repair. They need healing, they need maintenance, they need optimization, and I call one guy. His name is Peter West. He owns Chiro Table Care out of Portland, Maine. He has worked on my tables for years. He has always brought them up to speed in the timeliest, most affordable fashion that is humanly possible. He has been an engineer for years. He knows what he's doing, and it's great work. If you are in the Northeast, basically north of Connecticut, and you need maintenance, repair, or optimization of your tables, I can't recommend Peter West and his company enough. But anything with moving parts, anything that needs greasing, anything with pedals and actuators and motors, that's what he is best at. So listen, if your table is sounding like it's on its last leg, if it needs some help, call Peter before it's broken. Treat your tables just like you tell your patients to treat their bodies. Get help before the problem gets out of control. It's a lot easier to do maintenance and damage control. Peter West, Chiro Table Care, Portland, Maine.